The domestic violence has been on the front burner, and for good reasons, of course, because of, we like that more people are being, sensitized about what to do and what not to do. But then internationally, Johnny Depp has been in deep waters, by the way, for a while. And, and that has been, because of his case with his ex, his wife, who they've been divorced now, Amber Heard.
Amber Heard.
Yeah. Now, the thing now is that she, of course, filed for domestic violence. But this case has been over 2 years.
Yeah.
He actually brought evidence that proved that he was the one being violated and abused. In fact, his finger was cut off by her during an altercation and all of that. And so he has sued now for damages that happened to his career, from losing the franchise, Pirates of the Caribbean, to his latest one, which is Grindelwald. Fantastic Beasts, and Where to Find Them. Mads Mikkelsen, of course, took that spot. Grindelwald is supposed to be the ultimate villain, and the antithesis of Dumbledore. But the point is now that they're in the third day of trial. She has countersued, but there was something he said, which was he said, look, no matter what the outcome of this trial, I have already lost. From deals, money, and my career, those kind of things cannot come back. And that is the sad part.
It was a very emotional piece of video to see. Also, if you listen to the video, the audio which he provided in court, you'd also see that it's a very interesting dynamic when issues of domestic violence come up. Now, you said something a couple of days ago where you said in certain issues, once there is a case, the first person that you actually should investigate for is actually the lady.
Yes.
I understand this. But in this case, however, it has been proven that she was the abuser. So it brings the question, I begin to question that opinion about why you always have to take the side of the woman first. Because he has been the one hurting over many years. To try and prove this to people must have been very, very difficult. See everything that he's lost and all of that. So I'm very, I don't know how to feel about it. It's a very sad situation for him because he's one of the best actors ever, and to have that happen to him is very, very
poor. For me,
painful.
Let me just mention, you say, for me, from what you said, ever he's in top 3 for me. He's up there.
I'll mention one more name.
He's up there.
That person has also been in such a situation, although perhaps caused by him. What you were going to say?
Yeah, what I was going to say is I always decide to pick the woman's side first. First of all, I'm a woman, right? And I've listened to other women talk about their situations. But in this case, he actually was able to bring forth evidence, and it was proven wrong. Statistically speaking, it's probably just...
one-off?
Well, not a one-off. It's definitely a lower percentage of men that are going through such. But the sad part is he lost so much in the process of trying to prove his innocence. And no matter what, there's still some people that will not believe. Why? Because he's an actor. And he's acted in certain roles that portray him in some of the Edward Scissorhands, for instance. It was very, very odd role to play. He also played the role of a serial killer, a barber. So he's played all those kind of roles that the people... Yes, Sweeney Todd. And he's already put that picture in the minds of people that he can be many different people.
So that's what you call...
personality-wise...
For a good actor, that's what you call affective fallacy. That's why you see Patience Ozoko tomorrow. And if somebody should tell you that Patience Ozoko poisoned her daughter-in-law,
exactly.
you will believe.
Exactly.
Because of...
Or, not, you will not.
But you would have the tendency to
be inclined to say, Patience Ozoko.
Exactly.
She do it. So it's called affective fallacy. It happens with people who are very good at what they do. And I will still take this side on the side that, yes, okay, maybe you listen to the woman. Doesn't mean that you should condemn the man immediately. But then further investigation should go on. And like it happened in this case, there should be stringent. We should set a marker so that false accusations are almost as bad.
Pay for all of like he has done.
False accusations are as damning as though you committed. And then considering that it was not even a case of he didn't do anything, you were the one. He has voice notes. He has
evidence.
He has evidence. And then she put a gag order. In fact, in all of this. She's doing press also very soon for Aquaman 2 and all of that. And then she has projects. She put a gag order for him not to mention some things that would not affect
her own
financially and career-wise.
He's been gone on.
But meanwhile, he's
Whereas-
gone. He's lost so much. Johnny Depp even has some high-profile actors, directors
Yeah.
in Hollywood who will take the stand in the course of this trial to testify against
But why do you
Amber
think
Heard.
it took so long for him to actually bring out this
I
information?
actually think he's actually a very nice guy.
There you go. That's what I
And
was
he
going to say.
didn't want to ruin her. He
He
actually
did.
didn't want to ruin her.
Exactly
And
what I was gonna say.
Possibly it took a while to gather all this evidence and gather up the
Courage.
emotional. Yeah, because he would
Here's
have
what I was
become
gonna say
emotionally
about something
unstable.
that you mentioned before about the fact that the lower percentage of the
Yeah.
would be in that gender
Yes.
gap, men, I mean, or you get what I mean.
Yes.
The fact is this, that there are plenty of people who are going through sin,
Yes.
but the courage, and that's where I'm going,
come
to
out.
actually come out and say, this is what I'm going through. My partner, who's female, is putting me through this. Men have been conditioned, especially here in Nigeria and Africa,
To hold it.
in
Yeah.
and not be seen as, like she accused him, grow up, she said in the voice note, if you remember. They don't want to be accused of being such babies. So they keep all of this in, but in actual fact, many people, many men, are actually the abused ones in such relationships.
Yeah.